Yo, what up? It's literally LubestheDude. Yeah. I woke up today and I was like, yo, I want to try vlogging because I used to on my old channel where I did like flips and stuff. Anyway, so I think today I'm going to clean my car. I don't have a lot to do. I'm broke and stuff, so yeah, I'm just going to clean my car, probably pull out the seats and stuff. First I want to run a couple of errands though. I want to find some chips that are at a party. Gosh darn, I'm fat and pathetic.
Lay me down right where you found me. These days tend to go by.
Now we go change my shirt because this Mario shirt makes me look fat. You've done TikTok transitions for crazy? Oh my. Game recognizes game, boy.
To hear your voicemail, the song is so sad, but here is a bell. Grim Reaper, you did my heart when you...
I don't own a white Jeep, so I don't know where to put the camera at. There's no room. All right, you get to go down there for now. Hi guys. I'm not being inconsiderate. There's just no room to put you guys up on the dash. So yeah, I'm the Strad man, baby. Except I have a really slow car. So I put my intake on like a month ago, which is 2 weeks YouTube time. And it didn't make my car any faster, but it sure made it louder, and now everybody wants to race me. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear this, but I'll floor it, so yeah. And now everyone wants to race me. All right, I've now secured the singular bag of overpriced chips. All right, so I guess I'm just gonna go home and clean my car now. I don't really have anything else to do, so yeah, we're gonna go do that. You hear me? All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbolt the seats and stuff, but before that,
we're gonna do a taste test all together. It'll be great. Absolutely amazing, just like it would have been if I won twice. Oh my goodness. This is so good. Amazing, 10 out of 20.
Also, I'm gonna be listening to music, so don't expect me to talk to you. Raycon sponsorship, where?
It's 5 a.m. and I'm so damn tired. No food in the fridge and the milk is expired. Lifetime of memories gone in the fire. Missed you so much, only one I admire. Lay me down right where you found me. These days tend to go by slowly.
All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum it out. It'll probably just be like a simple time lapse. But yeah, there's a, I don't want to say the last owner was a pig, but because it's not too bad, but there's still like a ton of junk in here. And on the other side, I think there's like $2 worth of change on the floor, like in mud. So I'll probably just end up vacuuming them up. And I think that's my ECU or ECM. Can't remember what it's called. It's under the driver's seat, so that's kind of dumb in my opinion. Like I feel like it should be up there. But you know, that's all right because it's just a commuter car. So, yep. Toyota wasn't trying to build a race machine. That's why they had the Supra. I just found a toenail file that has been heavily used. So. So there's this like little pile of what looks like dog throw up. So I'm gonna clean that up. My mom just gave me some soapy water and some kitchen brushes, so I'm gonna try that and hopefully it comes out. Because I do not want quote unquote melted chocolate in my car. When I said I wanted to run my fingers through a girl's hair, I did not mean I want to pick it off the carpet in my car. Okay, so I didn't film me putting the stuff back in, like the seats and stuff, but it's all clean now. There's no more dog puke back there. I like it. It's really clean now. It feels good to have my own car. It doesn't smell like dog throw up and cigarettes as much anymore. Still smells like cigarettes, but at least not dog puke. And yeah, so I don't know, I guess that's where I'm going to leave off today's video. That's going to be it for today's video. If you stuck around this long, thanks for watching. It means a lot. And if you enjoyed the video, just like and subscribe. There'll be more of them, hopefully. I don't plan on stopping. Peace.